we remain steadfast in our commitment in delivering local news that matters, stories that inspire, enriching the lives of Filipinos in the Philippines and across the globe.
This is your GMA Regional TV. Buong puso para sa Pilipino.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
It's a great Monday morning mga kapuso all over Mindanao. Let's start our week right ug atong kamustahon ang atong mga kapuso og silingan diha sa Upolog Tagulwan sa Misamis Oriental Province. Attorney Resi, maayong buntag.
Maayong buntag, Subsay! Nakadilisab nato kalimtan kamustahon ang mga kapuso nato nga naa dinha sa Nabunturan ug Maragusan sa Davao de Oro Province. Mga kapuso, this morning atong makauban ang dabuwan niyang scientist nga nakadaog sa baguhay lamang nga prestihiyosong International Forum for High Potentials in Sustainable Development sa Germany. Sayro nato kiniunya kauban si Dr. Chusel Lawagon.
Samtang Attorney Resi subay sa pagsaulog sa Indigenous Peoples Month karong buntaga, atong kamustahon ang sitwasyon sa atong mga kaigsuunang lumad dinhi sa Cagayan de Oro City. Kauban si Nena Lumandong, ang focal person sa IP Group ubos sa CSWD.
Samtang sa ay nagsugod na karong adlaw ang Orobest Expo 2021 sa Cagayan de Oro City. Sayro nato ang mga katikaran sa mong expo kauban si Sir Ruben Vegafria, ang president ng Cagayan de Oro Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and Ms. Ket Queja, ang chairman sa Orobest Expo. Mga kapuso, sanglit nagsugod na karong adlaw ang Orobest Expo 2021 sa Cagayan de Oro City. Atong makahinabi this morning ang President ng Cagayan de Oro Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Sir Ruben Vegafria, and Ms. Ket Queja, ang chairman ng Orobest Expo 2021. Sir Ruben and Ms. Ket, welcome po dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. How are you?
Yeah, we're good. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Attorney. We're good. And thank you for the invitation.
We are very honored, Sir Ruben and Ms. Ket, to have you here with us dito sa aming programa. But first of all, alang pud sa kasayuran sa tanan, can you tell us more about the Cagayan de Oro Chamber of Commerce and Industry?
We're okay. The chamber is doing well. We still have the same number that we have, strong members of around 400 comprising of 5 different sectors. And our engagement actually, especially on the innovation program, is really very extensive. This is the project that really made us very busy. In fact, if you notice, Kit here is always on the go because of that. No? And we are happy because of this Orobest program that we have. We're actually able to integrate the services of the Cagayan de Oro Chamber in a lot of small and medium enterprise. No?
Considering that the Oro Chamber membership plays a very influential role in shaping the socio-economic development, dili lamang sa CDO but in the entire northern Mindanao region, usa sa inyuhang innovations mo ang Orobest Expo. Ms. Ket, can you enlighten us more about Orobest Expo 2021? What is this all about po?
The Orobest Expo is actually an exhibition. So, acronym lang ito. Yung acronym nito is Cagayan de Oro Best Enterprise Services and Trade Expo. So this was launched in 2007, and from then on, this has become the biggest and the longest running trade exposition. No? If I'm not mistaken, it's in the whole of Mindanao, sir, right? So talagang malaki ito na expo. And this expo is actually a platform which is also aimed for the region's micro, small, and medium, and even large enterprises to showcase their services, no? The best practices that they have. that all the products that they also have. And this is for networking and market development, as well as policy advocacy for entrepreneurship. And more importantly, it's really to sustain. No? During expos, we have more or less an average of 60 exhibitors. And each one would be able to be sell their services, other products, and then, avail of the exchange of B2B, yung mga business to business. No? So that's what we have.
With the challenges brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic, kumusta po ang mga adjustments na ginawa ninyo in preparation for the Orobest Expo?
We really wanted to have a face-to-face or actual exhibits because that's what our members want. That's what the MSME wants, for them to showcase their products and services and for people to see what do they have to offer. No? But because of this pandemic, and then binabawal yung malaking gathering because every time, ever since we have this Orobest Expo, we have a foot traffic of almost 1,000 or even more than that. And so we will be missing that this year. However, I think the kind of expo that we have is basically giving capacity to our MSME in terms of seminars and webinars, and of course, focus group discussion. We may not have the product or services for them to see, but they can navigate insofar as they can navigate our products on a member-to-member basis. Because here we will be able to tell them what would they do for them to be able to get a mileage for celebrating the Cagayan de Oro Business Month and Orobest Expo.
At para sa lahat na gustong bumisita at makilahok sa Orobest Expo 2021, what can they look forward to this year's expo?
For this year, we actually curated the expo in such a way that we have 5 sectors, a 4-block time, and in each sector they will be, of course, giving their expressing best practices in the businesses, and then we also have stories of resiliency and innovation. So this is really, you will see how our businesses from the chamber has survived and thrived and actually navigated their businesses during this COVID-19 setting. So these are best practices that some businesses would be able to follow. No? So it's mahirap talaga, pero there are really businesses that have really thrived. And that's what we would like to hear.
And finally, Sir Ruben and Ms. Ket, ano po ang mensahe ninyo sa lahat ng ating mga viewers, lalo na sa mga business sectors, partners, and stakeholders natin sa Cagayan de Oro City and Northern Mindanao region?
Well, first, let me express my profoundest thanks in behalf of the officers and the board and our members. Our profoundest thanks to, of course, GMA for giving us this opportunity to make Orobest known before the public. And so, maraming salamat sa mga partners, mga sponsors, mga our members, and then the public, for always giving the chamber a chance to prove its worth as an organization that protects the interest and well-being of the business community. Salamat sa inyo. Salamat sa tanan.
Daghan kayong salamat, Sir Ruben and Ms. Ket. And ngayon pala, congratulations po for the success of the Orobest Expo 2021. Thank you once more and stay safe.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Mga kapuso, sanglit sa bulan sa Oktubre atong ginasaulog ang Indigenous Peoples Month. Sabay tang sayron ang kahimtang nila karong panahona, labi na sa atong mga igsuong higaonon diri sa Cagayan de Oro City. Para ana atong makauban si Ma'am Nena Lumandong, ang IP Focal Person, ilawom sa CSWD. Ma'am Nena, mayong buntag kanimo and welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta makakaron?
May buntag mga kapuso, no, labi na dinhi sa Cagayan de Oro City o sa nagtan-aw karon, no.
Ma'am Nena, karong bulan sa Oktubre, ma'am, atong ginasaulog ang IP month alang sa atong mga kaigsuon ng IP. Unsa ba ka importante kini nga bulan alang kanila?
Karong bulan sa Oktubre, halos ato na ning gisaulog gumikan sa atong balaod nga Indigenous Peoples Rights Act 8371. So usap pud ni ka bulawanan nga bulan o usa ka importante gyud nga bulan alang sa mga tribo o nagklase-klase nga tribo sa Pilipinas tungod kay sa higayon gihatag gyud ang balaod alang kanila.
Karong IP month, Ma'am Nena, aduna ba mo'y mga aktibidades nga gilusad alang nasab sa atong mga kaigsuonang IP?
Ay karon nga bulan na sir, among ginahatagan og pagtagad gyud una katong preservation sa kultura. Pinaagi sa ilahang cultural dance. So, naatay mga participants aning cultural dance. Nya naapod tay katong higaonon songs. Nya naapod tay gina-mainstream pod nato ang atong mga kabataan pinaagi sa poster making base pod sa tema sa ato ang IP month celebration.
Usa sa taha sa CSWD, kamo ang galantaw, ma'am, sa ilahang kahimtang. Unsa ba mga challenges nga nakita ninyo karon panahon sa pandemya?
Mao ginay among usa ka challenge ang bakuna kay karon gani no gipangayuan mi ni Ma'am Jane Docalios o profile kung pila ka IPs na ang nabakunahan o wala pa. So ang challenge yun na mo sir kay ang uban dili gid magpabakuna. Pero wala mi mo undang sa kampanya nga night time nga kung gusto mo mulakaw di mo makagawas tungod kay nay posibilidad nga kung wala mo certification of vaccine dili gid mo pwede magagawas so kinahanglan mo cooperate kay mas mahadlok ta kung dili ta mabak-vaccine. Mas likayan nato nga makananta mas matakdan ta dali ta magpa-vaccine.
Lastly, Ma'am Nena, in relation na pod sa pagsaulog nato sa Indigenous Peoples Month, unsa ba mong mensahe ngadto sa atong mga kapuso viewers?
Akong hangyo sa ating mga katawhan sa Cagayan de Oro, sa mga higaonon ug sa dili tribo nga i-share na mo ang among lake karong sa 29 mag live streaming ta sa among mga sayaw unya dayon katong contest sa katong mga ilahang tribal rule katong ilang lumba sa galing ug sa lubok ug katong sa ilang salakad kay diha malingaw unya naa dayon tay mga guest speaker mga support sa mga IPs labi na gid sa atong National Commission on Indigenous Peoples sa atong City Mayor Oscar Ismorino ug sa uban pa nga among ginhatagan og invitation o pwede nga anaa kini aron atong madunggan ang ilang wholehearted support sa indigenous peoples dili lang siguro sa IP man kundi sa kanang sa tribal gyud lugar kinasing-kasing na pagsuporta.
Daghang salamat, Ma'am Nena, sa imong oras nga gihatag dinhi sa At Home with GMA Regional TV ug panghinaot nako nga mas daghan pa ang musuporta ngadto sa itong mga kaigsuonang IP.
Daghang salamat og mida pagbabaya this as all.
Mga kapuso, chillax lang mo kay mo balik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Mga kapuso, atong ilailahon ng Filipina scientist nga nakadaog sa prestihiyosong Green Talents Awards sa Germany. Atong ilailahon this morning si Dr. Giselle Lawagon. Good morning, Dr. Giselle. Welcome diri sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta po kayo?
Okay lang po. Good morning din po, attorney.
Ato kining hisgutan, ma'am, no, ang Green Talents International Forum nga imong giapilan sa Germany. Can you share to us po what this is all about?
So the Green Talents Forum is actually hosted by the German Federal Ministry of Education and Research every year. So they host these Green Talents, an international forum for high potential in sustainable development to promote the international exchange of innovative green ideas within the field of sustainability. So the award actually honors young researchers from different countries in different scientific disciplines each year for their achievements and efforts to making their communities, countries, and societies more sustainable. So this is the Green Talents are actually selected by a jury of German experts. And the award winners are granted unique access to the country's research elite or the German research experts. Also, winners were given some opportunity to be part of the 2-week virtual science forum and even up to 3 months fully funded research stay in Germany or in any institution of our choice.
Pwede po ba nimo ma-share, Doc, ang imuhang project na imong gi-present sa mong international forum wherein isa siya sa mga 25 nga napilian out of all the 400 plus nga entries?
So actually, during the application, we were asked nga maghatag og details regarding sa mga sustainability projects na ginahimo namo sa among field or sa among country. So I actually discussed about specifically about 2 projects. Una is ang upcycling of agricultural waste through nanotechnology and its application in construction materials. So in our project, instead of letting these agricultural waste be left unused, so we are trying to convert these waste into valuable materials through nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is like making materials a lot smaller to harness more its power and its ability to complement many other things. So we convert these waste into valuable materials and then ginagamit na mo siya for improving concrete or any other construction materials.
Pila pud ba mo nga mga Pinoy ang na-appeal sa moong forum, ma'am, and how do you feel na ikaw ang nahimong representante sa Mindanao?
So actually, karon na year, there are 25 awardees chosen from 19 countries. And I am truly happy and blessed to have been chosen to be part of the Green Talents 2021 cohort. So I am actually the only awardee from the Philippines. And I am very honored and malipayon to be able to represent Mindanao, the Philippines, to the Green Talents 2021 forum po.
Along sa pagbuhat sa moong proyekto, Dr. Giselle, aduna pud ba kay mga struggles or mga challenges nga imuhang nagian?
So there are really several challenges. First is pandemic. So mobilizing people is really difficult. So especially nga pandemic time, so there can be really a lot of restrictions. Next is funding. So every research project always needs funding. That's why mapasalamatan mi sa Department of Science and Technology for funding some of our sustainability research projects.
Sa imong experience sa mga international forum, what was your biggest takeaway? Ug naapod ba yung mga best practices ang German government nga pwede pod nato i-replicate or himuon diri sa atong nasod?
So actually, first thing akong na jud is that the German research landscape is really, really amazing. Maybe because they are a first world country, but I think we can also do well. So they have actually several na funding institution, both private and public na nag-fund og researches, both basic, applied research na helpful sa community. And they are even also supporting their researchers, their scientists in upscaling their projects na from lab scale, ma-industrial scale siya para magamit yun sa community.
Aduna gyud nag-aspire na mahimong scientist sama nimo, ma'am, unsa man ang imong tips or advice alang kanila?
First is be passionate on something that you truly care. And be always willing to be mentored. Walay tao nga diretso naging expert or diretso naging hawd na scientist. So always find someone who can be a good mentor for you, both as a person, as a professional, or as a scientist.
I know daghan gyud kaayo nagsuporta sa imuhang journey dito sa international forum sa Germany. Is there any special person or individuals that you would like to thank and acknowledge? You may go ahead po.
I thank the Lord for His graciousness and the German government, the BMBF, for the opportunity to be part of the Green Talents 2021 cohort. It is truly validating and motivating at the same time. Also, I thank the Philippine Embassy in Germany for being really very supportive sa akong journey as Green Talents.
Daghan kaayong salamat, Dr. Giselle. Ug unta daghan kaayo tag mga na-inspire karon ng mga promising scientists to help make this world a sustainable place. Thank you so much, Dr. Giselle. Amping pirmi. Sayog mga kapuso, takong garbo gayo dili lamang sa Mindanao kundi sa tibuok Pilipinas si Dr. Giselle Lawagon. Kay siya lang naman ang nag-inusarang Pilipino nga nakadawat sa Green Talent Award sa Germany. Busa mga kapuso, tambag niya sa mga kabataan na be passionate sa imong mga ginabuhat ug ang pinaka-importante, himuong sentro ang Ginoo sa tanan.
Samtang resi karong ginasaulog nato ang Indigenous Peoples Month, wala gayod nato gikalimtan ang ilahang papel sa kalambuan sa atong komunidad. Apan awhag lamang ni IP Focal Person sa CSWD nga si Ma'am Nena Lumandong nga likayan gayod ang diskriminasyon ug pagdaog-daog ngadto sa mga IP sanglit aduna sab sila'y mga katungod.
Busa mga kapuso, daghan pud kayo tag mga angay atangan sa Oro Best Expo 2021 hilabi na sa mga taga Cagayan de Oro City. Busa sa mga buot pud mo appeal sa maong expo, bisitahan lamang ninyo ang official website ng Oro Chamber sa www.orochamber.ph.
Mga kapuso, na-inspire nakakaton kamo sa gishare sa itong mga bisita karong buntaga. Sama na lang sa panultihon ni Elton John nga live for each second without hesitation. Mga kapuso, makita pagbalik ang atong episode pinagi sa pagbisita sa www.gmaregionaltv.com ug ayaw kalimot na mag-subscribe sa official YouTube channel sa GMA Regional TV.
See you tomorrow mga kapusog. Stay safe and healthy. Ako si Attorney Resi Rizada.
Kinisab si Cyril Chavez. Buong puso para sa Pilipino.